Tree surgeon, Cardiff, Risca, Newport and Chepstow. David Robbins, expert tree surgeon, at prices that you can afford. Free disease and infestation identification and treatments for diseases and infestations. An expert tree surgeon and arborist at surprisingly affordable prices. With prices starting at just £85 for a highly qualified tree surgeon with over 25 years experience. Formerly the head tree surgeon and tree expert for Newport Borough Council Forestry Services. Call David now for a free no obligation quotation on 01633 213 056 or his mobile 07715 815 491, or click the link below this video to visit our website.